Hi, welcome to Programmers Academy. Uh, in this video, we are going to learn about Google Colab. Let's understand what is Google Colab and what are the use case of Google Colab in data science. So, what is Google Colab? It is optimizing Python workflow, empowering collaborative data science with Google Colab. So, let's understand about what is Google Colab. Optimizing Python workflow, empowering collaborative data science with Google Colab. In this presentation, we will explore the benefits of using Google Colab for collaborative data science projects. We will also discuss how Python workflow can be optimized with Google Colab. So let's first understand about what is Google Colab. Google Colab is a free cloud-based platform that provides a Jupyter notebook environment for data analysis and machine learning. It allows users to write and run Python code, collaborate with others, and access powerful computing resources. Collaborative data science. Google Colab enables collaborative data science by allowing multiple users to work on the same notebook simultaneously. This makes it easy for teams to share code, data, and insights, and to collaborate in real time. Optimizing Python workflows. With Google Colab, Python workflows can be optimized by taking advantage of its built in features and integrations. This includes access to CPU and TPU for faster computations, integration with Google Drive for easy data storage and retrieval. What is mean Google Drive? So Google Colab can be easily integrated with the Google Drive. So you can integrate your Google Colab with the Google Drive, and you can share it with any other. So it is very easy data storage and retrieval, and integration with other Google services such as BigQuery and Google Sheets. Let's go to the next slide. What is use cases of Google Colab? Google Colab can be used for a variety of data science use cases such as exploratory data analysis, machine learning, and deep learning. It can also be used for teaching and learning Python and data science. Conclusion. In conclusion, Google Colab is a powerful tool for collaborative data science that can help optimize Python workflows. Its built-in features and integrations make it easy to work with data and collaborate with others. Give it a try and see how it can improve your data science projects. In this video, this is very short video about the Google Colab. We will understand practically how we can use the Google Colab uh, and how we can write the Python program. So for this video, thank you so much. If you have any query about the Google Colab, please write us or comment us in the video. Thank you for now.